Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell.
Hey YouTube, it's me Lashon, and I am so happy that I'm back couponing, doing all the things that I just love to do. And I hope that you enjoy couponing too. But if this is your first time coming with me, all you need to do is bring two things. Bring those coupons that come in the mail and bring some handy dandy scissors. And we try to save anything, 25, 50 cents, a dollar. Every bit counts. And if you're not afraid to try, let's come on and see what they got this week. We talk about all the coupons, not just the ones I clip. Okay? So come on, join the adventure. Okay, so first we have some gummies. So they have calcium gummies, they got vitamin D gummies, they got calm and sleep gummies, if that's what you're into. Next, we have some children's Motrin, save $1.50. We have any Johnson & Johnson product, save $1. Now see, all these coupons come free in the mail every Wednesday here in Florida. And if any of these things sound like something you would need a coupon for, the children's Motrin, the Johnson & Johnson lotion, powder, body wash, then you should really think about it. Everybody throw these out. I don't. I keep them because you just never know. Okay, children's Motrin is $2 off. I didn't say that. We have the Ensure, and everybody knows I love Ensure, but can't afford to buy it. But it saved $5 on 2 multi-packs. So the multi-packs are like 30 bucks, man. So it say you gotta buy 2, but you'll save $5. And the one underneath it say on any one Ensure protein multi-pack, save $4. So if you, I'm gonna let you look at this one, see. You see that one? That one $5, but that's the multi-pack. That's the one that come, that I used to order from Amazon, but I can't afford it anymore. And then this one underneath, save $4. That's the multi one. You only get 6 with that one. You only get 6, but you save $4. It's really good for you, but it's very expensive. Okay, so I don't have a washer and dryer. I send my clothes off to be cleaned. They have detergent, they have Snuggle, they have Tide, they have all, anywhere from $1.50, it looks like, to $3.50 off. That is humongous that you can save that much. Then they got the Purex over here, which Purex is the cheapest of all of them. And you can get $2 off one. And it says any size. Now remember, those are the coupons we look for. It'll say $1, $2, whatever, and it'll say any size. And when it says any size, you get the smallest one, and you use that coupon. That is how you make a deal. Okay, so we got so much body wash. We got Dow, we got Caress. It's just so many of them. I'll use any of them, as long as they don't make me itch. We got dry eye, we got itchy eye, we got dry mouth, and we got Serva for dry skin, $3 off. Next, we have the Glucerna. Now, the Glucerna is when you're diabetic. Those are the ones you're supposed to drink. Ensure is for people who trying to, get the protein in, get the, it's $4 off one Glucerna product. So you can just buy a 6-pack, Tums and Nexium. I don't need none of those. I get all of those from the VA, and that's a blessing because that stuff adds up. Next, we got the Polident for our dentures. And if you have dentures, take care of them. It's just like your own teeth. Take care of them. Look, as soon as all this over with, I'm going to buy me a pair of dentures. I'm going to stay home the day that after they pull my teeth, I'm going to stay home, low key. The next day I'll be out with those dentures on. Okay. Next, it's just a Centrium. They got all of them, every vitamin you can think of. Now, what always is in the middle of the sale paper is a Family Dollar. It always is in the middle. It's a small Family Dollar flyer. It's not big, it's not anything, but it reminds you that you can save $5 at Family Dollar and $5. And then you got the $5 off coupon. I get the bleach and the pine sol, whatever I need to clean the house, the Dawn. I try to get all that stuff so that it can add up so I can get the $5 off. It makes its way. So we always keep, you don't need that coupon because everything is in the phone now. But if you don't. Next, they have BC powder. Everybody don't use BC powder. I like BC powder because it goes up to a certain milligram, and it's not too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and cut out this BC powder because it's one for $1 off, and then you see that other one for $2. And you just take your scissors and be careful when you cut it. We don't wanna. We don't want to mess up our coupons. I get so excited with the coupons, and I hope you do too. Gives me something to look forward to. I'm not hurting anybody. I'm just home cutting coupons. Next, we got the Everdent for our dentures, and we got the Zyrtec. We got Benadryl and Pepsi Complete. So all the stuff for your stomach, all the vitamins. If you get vitamins and all that stuff, or laundry detergent, this is the coupon book for you. And it comes every Wednesday. Next, we have Olive Olay. We have all of it, the body wash, the soap, everything. And then they got the Febreze it's a try Febreze small spaces, $2.30 off. That's a weird amount, $2.30 off. Oh, I see. Because you pay 99 cents for the first Febreze plug. And then altogether it'll be $2.30 off. You see that? And then that's the coupon right there. You see it? Next, they got the pens, pads. They got the poise pads. If you got urinary incontinence, there's no shame, And that's it. We did some good ones, but I'm going to get this. I'm gonna clip this last one for these hands. For these Depends. What it say? How much can you get off? $1.50. We're gonna go ahead and cut that. If you got urinary incontinence, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Do what you gotta do to make sure you're dry and comfortable, okay? So that's it. That's all our little coupons. And we went through the little magazine. Now, it costs nothing to go through this. We didn't spend no money on this. All we did is got 3 coupons. So it's a win-win situation. So think about it. And next week, when Wednesday comes and you go check the mail, and it's got all the sale papers in your town, it'll be a little thin thing like this of coupons. Sometimes it's got Dawn in there. Sometimes, like we did today, Tide, Cheer, Purex, Bounty, all those things that you need to wash your clothes. So I thank you for joining me. I really do. I have so much fun clipping coupons. I am so grateful to God that He gave me eyes to see. I'm so grateful for God for waking me up this morning. And I thank you for joining me here. So take the time to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's breathe in and breathe out and get our day started. Thank you, Father God.
Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.